Fairwater has about 800 homes. It's closely located to the Blacktown CBD and it's a master plan community where Frasers Property have actually built not only all the infrastructure and the open space, but as well as all the homes.
We define innovation as change that adds value. When it comes to Fairwater and what we've done here, when we set out, we had a pretty bold target for this community to be the first in New South Wales to be a 6-star Green Star community. We looked at a range of initiatives, but geothermal really kind of stood out as something that we could do here, delivering quite a significant sustainability initiative and being a good innovation that we could potentially even replicate down the track on other projects.
We invested in geothermal because it did three things. First of all, it delivered savings to our customers. It provided heating and cooling, which is what we're looking for, and it reduced power consumption.
Geothermal, the best way I can explain it to people, and the analogy I like to use, it's a bit like your household fridge. And at the back of your fridge, you've got the coil that runs back and forth that tries to keep the inside of the fridge cool. Imagine that coil going straight down into the ground around 80 to 90 metres deep. And that's effectively what a geothermal heating and cooling system is. It uses the ground stable temperature to provide the heating and cooling in your home. A geothermal system can do it about 60% more energy efficiently than a traditional air conditioning system. Geothermal system's compact, more compact than a traditional system. It's much quieter and it's a bit safer. You know, it doesn't have the spinning fan blowing hot air.
Fairwater community in Sydney's west achieved a sustainability first with its 6-star Green Star Communities rating, the first community in New South Wales to do so. One of the country's most environmentally friendly developments, Fairwater Community's Green Star rating represents world leadership. It's the largest geothermal community in the Southern Hemisphere, with the technology accessible to every one of the homes on site.
Alinta Energy invested in the geothermal business in 2018. We're always looking for innovative ways to assist our customers to save on their energy bills, and the geothermal business was a perfect fit for that.
The feedback we've received from customers is an interesting one because there's this sense of pride that they're actually involved in a project that has innovated and have broken the traditional boundaries of heating and cooling for homes.
When you've got the benefit of starting with a clean site and you can do things at scale, you get a lot of efficiencies, and that was key for meeting our commercial expectations for this site. And that's why I'd encourage other developers to consider it, because here's a way that developers can actually take the lead and make a meaningful contribution.
The ongoing partnership between Frasers Property Australia and Alinta Energy Geothermal demonstrates what can be achieved with close collaboration, and it is a showcase for our industry.